So I decided to do 75 hard in 2024, and this is how it started. 2024 is going to be quite a big year for us, and we wanted to kick it off with a challenge that will test our discipline. So we started by going over expectations and planning the night before. Day one rolls around, and your girl was off to the races. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the gym. Let's go get away. I'm just playing, but I was off to the gym. I got my first workout done, took my progress pictures, read my book, drank my water, peed a ton, and then headed off to the pool for my second workout. This one entailed 45 minutes of me working on teaching myself how to swim. Finished off with a nice dinner and then some meal prepping for the week ahead. So day one was a 5-star beginning. Easy, right? Nah. Check back with me in 75 days and let's see how I'm feeling then.